Hi everyone, I'm DrOscarMarin, and in this video I would like to go over the main alternatives for replacing a missing tooth when your tooth can no longer be saved. Once we have determined that a tooth needs to be removed, one of the main considerations is preserving the bone that holds the root. Remember that your tooth is sitting on a cup of bone that has very fragile edges, and we need this bone as intact as possible to potentially hold a dental implant, and also to maintain the integrity of the supporting bone for the neighbor teeth. When a tooth is removed, this supporting bone will heal by shrinking, and when this happens, some of the supporting bone for the neighbor teeth will also disappear. To prevent this from happening, we use different grafting or filling materials so your bone can heal without leaving a defect in your jawbone. Since the healing of the bone graft can take a few months, it is recommended to use a retainer to prevent your teeth from shifting during the healing process. This retainer can also be used later as a surgical guide if you decide to go for a dental implant. Once healed, you have essentially three options for tooth replacement, and these are a removable partial denture, a fixed bridge, and a dental implant. Partial dentures have the disadvantage that they're removable and not everyone is willing or able to get used to them. But in some cases, we're able to use partial dentures as an intermediate restoration until the patient is ready to move forward with the implant. Fixed bridges have been around for a long time, for decades, but since the development of dental implants, they have become less popular due to the fact that the teeth next to the missing one will have to be prepared by drilling them down in order to make and hold the bridge. So currently, dental implants are considered the gold standard for tooth replacement, because they're fixed, and once restored they can be maintained and function in a similar way as your natural teeth. For more information, you can visit our website drmarin.com, or you can call us at 626-810-5000 in West Covina or 714-529-2626 in the city of Brea. You can also listen to our dental podcast called Marin Dental Media. Thank you for watching.